Another day, another story. Both the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max are flagship smartphones from their respective manufacturers, Samsung and Apple. They have their own strengths and differences, and the choice between them ultimately depends on your personal preferences and priorities. Here's a comparison of their key features. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It has a large display with curved edges, a glass back, and an aluminum frame. iPhone 13 Pro Max. It features a premium build with a glass back, stainless steel frame, and a notched display. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. iPhone 13 Pro Max. It comes with a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2778 by 1284 pixels and a 120 Hz ProMotion display. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It is powered by either a Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100 chipset, depending on the region, and offers excellent performance. iPhone 13 Pro Max. It runs on Apple's A15 Bionic chip, which is known for its exceptional performance and efficiency. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It has a quad camera setup, including a 108 megapixels main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and two 10 megapixels telephoto cameras. iPhone 13 Pro Max. It features a triple camera system with a 12MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It runs on Android 11 with Samsung's One UI skin on top, providing a customizable and feature-rich user experience. iPhone 13 Pro Max. It operates on iOS 15, Apple's latest mobile operating system known for its smooth performance and tight integration with the Apple ecosystem. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that offers good endurance and supports fast wired and wireless charging. iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is equipped with a slightly larger battery compared to its predecessor, offering longer battery life, and supports fast wired and wireless charging as well. Both devices offer 5G connectivity, water and dust resistance, and a range of storage options. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra supports the S Pen stylus, sold separately, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max does not have stylus support. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra generally tends to be slightly more affordable compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But prices can vary depending on the region and any ongoing promotions. Ultimately, the decision between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max comes down to personal preference, your ecosystem preferences, Android versus iOS, camera priorities, and your budget. It's recommended to try out both devices in person or thoroughly research their features to make an informed decision based on your individual needs. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.